Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use PowerPoint templates and themes. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically, if you open up Microsoft PowerPoint, you can see this page here, and basically it offers you a very cool looking templates basically that you can just change it according to your needs. Okay, so let's suppose that if I want to choose this template here, I will just click on this one, and then I will just have to basically click on this download option here, and it will first download this template, and then basically I will edit it. So I will just click on this option here, and basically now you can see that we have this template here, and we can now just basically edit this template here. Okay, so if we want to add a new slide, right click and click on new slide, and new slide will be added as well. So that's how basically you can just add templates here. Now the next thing is that how you can basically choose different kind of themes for your PowerPoint slides. So here you can see that I have this presentation here, and now to add a theme here, I will go to this design tab here, and I will select the first slide, and here you can see that we have these multiple themes here. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to add this theme, I will just click on this, and now here you can see that all of my slides basically are changed to these themes. Okay, so that's how you can basically change themes in PowerPoint. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video.